Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to add checkbox in Google Sheets on computer. So how to add checkbox in Google Sheets on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Sheets work page. Here I have prepared a table that I will add checkbox. Go straight to the column that will be Add Checkbox. Next, point the cursor to the top of the screen. There are several menu options. Tap Insert. Now here a scrolling menu will appear. Down by itself. And tap Checkbox. Now here you can add checkbox. You can check or tap again to uncheck the checkbox. For the next step, tap on the checkbox and pull it down by yourself. And the check will automatically increase by itself. Now here you can use the checkbox. So that's it, tutorial how to add checkbox in Google Sheets on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.